On August 31st, 2025, Oriana Jackson entered a ShopRite grocery store in Hoboken, New Jersey, with empty reusable bags. She left with $191.28 worth of unpaid merchandise. She paid $30.21 at self-checkout number 18. The rest chicken, detergent, produce stayed in the bags. Loss prevention had been watching from the start.
34. Sound like 34. 18. Do you have a date for it?
Yes, that's going to be 12/15/1951.
Everything. Go ahead, Dr.
All right.
We're on Washington and 6. I received amplification in Washington and 6.
Is the receipt?
Correct.
Where's everything that was taken?
It's downstairs. So she came in at 4:53 p.m.
You still have the stuff though? You still have it all?
We need a picture?
I want to take a picture of it. You have
I
them?
did take a picture
Yeah, please.
with all this stuff right here.
Yeah. I'll give you my. You can send it to my.
Yeah, you guys send me the action link?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's usually where I supply.
Yeah. Okay. So this is it. So what time?
4:53 p.m.
Yeah.
She came in with a bunch of empty bags. She concealed a bunch of items. We have some chicken, detergent, produce, and groceries. And then at 5:24, she went to self-checkout 18.
24. Self checkout 18.
Where she only paid for $30.21 worth of items.
Paid for $31.
30.21.
$30.21 worth.
Right, of merchandise.
What was the total?
And she failed to pay for all this, which was $191.28.
That was remaining. What
The
wasn't
unpaid
paid?
items, correct, this whole thing.
So she failed to pay 191.
28.
So that was. So the total of everything would have been the 30. This plus that, right?
Correct.
So okay, she failed to pay for 191.28 of it. Okay.
Yep.
When did you notice?
No, I've been watching.
Okay. No, that's what I'm saying. Like.
Check over here, grabbing the
Okay.
chicken.
Attention lives. For your bag, find our bag 77
Was she concealing everything in the bags?
Yeah, you see right there, there's everything.
Go back a little bit.
Every man's rest. They fight for supremacy within every civilization. One must try.
What the fuck is that? My phone?
Spirit.
Your phone the whole time.
Where's my phone? I thought that was the radio.
That's what I thought. You came with a radio.
I don't know what the hell that was.
Alright, so that's what I'm saying. She came in with just empty bags.
Okay.
And then she continued concealing more items.
She concealed them in the. Where are the bags? Let me see. Well, those are shopping bags, right?
Yeah, reusable bags.
Reusable bag. Okay.
See the brown one?
Yeah.
So, long story short, right here she says self-checkout.
Okay.
She's already holding the brown bag, which clearly you saw.
Okay, she had it on her shoulder.
Correct.
Right. At checkout.
And these are the two bags she failed to pay, the one on her shoulder and on top.
So at checkout, she had brown bag on right shoulder. The green bag was in the
Stop and Shop bag, yeah.
green Stop and Shop bag. Was in what?
Cart.
On top. And she only took items out in what is it, the white bag?
It's white inside, but outside
What's
it's like a black bag or something.
paid for items in the black bag, right?
Correct.
Yeah. And that's when you noticed it?
No, I know it from the beginning.
From the beginning? Alright, that's why I gotta ask.
Okay. Obviously, she was stopped past the point of sales at the vestibule.
Stopped past the point of sales?
Correct. That was at 5:28.
At vestibule. At 5:28, okay. And that's when you guys detained her?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
Steven, do you have the code to the gift card?
It should be on the receipt. I think that's 72168.
Alright.
Yeah, that's her right there.
Yeah.
That's 525 to be exact.
525. Stopped at 525, okay. Alright.
Headquarters to 123. 2-3. Ma'am, when you get relieved from there, can you just make your way to 56 Monroe Street, apartment 1 Romeo, just to retrieve some property?
Is
There was
that
a
idea?
Tesla key left at the Colos apartment. Alright, go. You said it's 56 Monroe. Can you just go again with the apartment? Yeah, it's gonna be 1 Romeo. And just to clarify, you said I'm picking up property from where? I apologize. Not right now. Right, from the caller, somebody left a Tesla key at his apartment door. Can you just repeat that?
Sorry, go ahead.
I got my alarm read. You open the door. Go back and do it.
Sorry, it's 77868. 77868.
Alright, is it my copy?
Yeah, that's his copy.
Alright.
Get up the keys over.
Oh yeah. MCA, can I get a case number?
77867. 77867.
And I'll send you the link.
Alright.
Actually, I don't.
Right on the
Just write down everything. Yeah.
So my email's my name, though. Should be on the system, though.
That's
WAKE
WAKE.
FERN.com.
Alright. I'll send you that link a little bit later.
Sounds good.
Anything else?
Oh yeah, what's your name before?
Officer Fitzgibbons, P.O. Fitzgibbons.
On the batch number real quick.
173.
Alright. She did purchase the $30 downstairs, though. The $30 worth.
Yeah, we'll take that. That's hers. We'll
Alright.
take with. Yeah, so. Alright, miss, stand up, please.
For what?
You're being placed under arrest. For shoplifting.
But I thought that I'd signed all the paperwork. I was going to have to pay a fine. I thought that was it. And then I was banned from the property.
No, they want to prosecute.
Yeah.
Okay, so what happens next?
We're going to bring you up to police headquarters. You're going to be processed. You're arrested and charged with shoplifting.
Okay, and then?
Depending if you ever been arrested before?
No.
Okay, you're going to be released on a summons with a court date from our headquarters.
Okay.
And that's it. We have to bring you up and process you. You're going to get fingerprinted, and we'll draw up a complaint. I'll be a summons, and then you'll get released from our headquarters with all your property.
Okay.
Okay? So.
Can I just walk out and call y'all?
No, you're going to be placed under handcuffs, man. That's not the way it goes. You're under arrest. I'm sorry.
Can I go to the restroom and someone come with me?
No.
I can wait.
Once we get to headquarters.
You can go to the bathroom. We're going to have a female officer search you at police headquarters.
Okay.
During that search, you can use the lavatory, wherever you have to do. Okay?
Could that be the first thing I do? I really just been waiting there.
Well, once we get you in there,
We're gonna go right up there.
we'll go right up there. We'll have an officer, female officer, meet you and do what you have to do. Can you take that bag off, please? Thank you. Okay. You have that, please? Also, you have anything in your pockets, ma'am, you have to take out?
Can I put this in there?
Yep.
Yeah. Everything's coming with you, but we have to take it with you. So, you have anything in your pockets, please empty out. Okay?
Headquarters to
Any way I can
118 and
follow
137.
I'm sorry. Oh, well, you got more stuff in your pockets? We're going to be gentlemen here.
No, it's just plastic bag.
Oh,
Like,
you can,
You can leave that there.
if you want it.
Anything else? Can you just turn your pockets inside out for me, please?
The area
Thank you so much. I appreciate
of
that.
the police state of 15 is an answer. There's a male sitting at
Where's
the
the stuff
edge of
that
the
you
pier.
purchased?
It's downstairs?
Wearing all black
Okay.
male.
Oh, please stop.
Could you assess the situation? So we're sending out EMS.
Give me the set cuffs. It's going to seem a little tight at first. That's just because we're just getting in. Okay? Like that. Give us 1 second. We're going to use another set of cuffs. Okay?
113 on the ground.
Okay, man. Can you go to this? Do you want us to take this off? Because it's gonna probably pinch a little bit. Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Okay. I need you to just put your hands here like you're praying.
134 Alpha.
Other way around? Other way? Yes, thank you so much. Appreciate that. Okay, same thing again. It's gonna feel like a pinch.
Alpha, make your way over.
Okay, is this dog bed or shopping bag? Okay.
1313 Grand Street.
All right, all good? All right.
406.
Dismiss. Just follow this officer out.
56-year-old male, possible stroke, ALS is pending at a time.
New Jersey Statute 2C. 20. 11 defines shoplifting as purposely concealing merchandise from a merchant with intent to deprive that merchant of its full retail value. Surveillance here documents each element. The dollar amount controls the charge. Under 2C. 20. 11. Subsection C. Amounts under $200 are classified as a disorderly person's offense. Jackson's unpaid total was $191.28, $8 short of the next tier. A disorderly person's offense carries up to 6 months in county jail and a fine up to $1,000. It does not count as a crime under New Jersey's criminal code, but it still generates a permanent record entry. The initial store detention does not raise a Fourth Amendment issue. In Bordeaux v. McDowell, 1921, the Supreme Court held that constitutional search and seizure protections apply to government actors, not private parties. Store security is private. Once police arrived, the probable cause analysis begins. Officers reviewed surveillance footage on scene, obtained the loss prevention report, examined recovered merchandise, and noted a $191 discrepancy. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983, totality of circumstances, probable cause is clear. Jackson told the officer she had already signed paperwork and expected to pay a fine. She believed that closed the matter. That is a fundamental legal error. New Jersey Statute 2C. 20. 11. Subsection H gives merchants a separate civil recovery right independent of any criminal prosecution. The paperwork Jackson signed documented the store's civil claim. It does not bind the police. It does not bind the prosecutor. Civil recovery resolves the store's damages. Criminal prosecution is a separate track controlled by the state. Confusing them is one of the most common and costly mistakes in retail theft situations. Jackson voluntarily said, "I thought I signed the paperwork I was going to pay a fine." No officer asked her anything. That statement is spontaneous and admissible. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966. Requires warnings before custodial interrogation, not before volunteered statements. Whatever she said on camera can be used against her. The correct move was silence, identification only, and a request for counsel.
Okay, that's fine. I'm not gonna let you fall.
406. Is that at 120? Yeah. Does you guys have an
Nice and easy. We're gonna get you stuff.
Where's the stuff that you got?
Yeah, there's a female caller.
He's got it.
911 call.
Got
She
it.
was on scene and
Someone's
stated there was
home.
a black man wearing black sitting at the edge.
Her stuff that she purchased. All right, thank you.
She described it as an abandoned pier.
Just have me clear the way.
Excuse
Excuse me, please. Thank you.
Can you have her
Please and thank you.
Yeah, go on, call back.
No. Of course. Is it open up? Thank you.
We have gentleman
Got my hand in this
found
car?
by Canelo, 720 Monroe. He noticed that he covered and tried the establishment was on. I'm not sure if we have a contact. If so, can you just reach out?
Okay. Watch your head, please. Good.
I'm too tall for this.
Receive. We'll see if we have a
All right,
contact
Miss.
number.
We'll put you in another car.
Let's go.
Believe
I'm
that's
already
the
in here.
process,
We have to strap you in now, okay?
Alright. You're gonna lean over me?
Well,
That's
what
fine.
we're going to do is the other officer's going to come around. He's going to grab the buckle.
He's pretty far out.
Okay.
No way to get there.
Yeah.
Receive 37. You want us to contact Harbor Patrol? If possible, yes, please. He's directly parallel to Pier 13. He's on the abandoned pier, on the edge.
Okay.
Receive. I'll start calling the parts.
I'm going to grab this, Joe. See ya.
32, we spoke to the employee. All good. 13, also let us know if they got him. I'll put the boat in the water.
You want the window down or anything? Okay. Yeah, we'll try to be quick, okay? Spirit. It's all right. We'll try to get done as fast as possible. You'll get a summons and a court date, okay? Come on.
Yes, sir, we're on it.
Okay, sir, I really do have to pee though. Like,
All right.
That's my biggest issue.
I understand. We're gonna get up there as soon as possible. MC8.
Daddy.
All right. We'll be coming up to HQ with one female adult, 1025, starting mileage 419.2. It's 419.2, and we have a female officer for us at HQ.
113.
Jan Sarge.
Alright, we're speaking with the male now. He's back on the pier, off the abandoned one. We're on the walk right now, talking to him.
Receive. Canceling Harbor Patrol.
MC8.
Daddy.
All right, 20 HQ, ending mileage 420.5.
Everything.
All right, miss, we're gonna unbuckle you from here. It's gonna whip over. Just be careful. Okay. Okay. Do what you can do. Wiggle
Yeah,
out.
let me think about this for a second.
Okay. All right. Take your time. Take your time.
Sit him on my hands. Oh, fuck, my shoes.
All right.
No, I got it.
All right.
I need to back up to get out.
Okay. All right, we got you. All right, just stand right here real quick. Thank you. Make sure it's all clear. All right, back seat is clear. Just follow this officer. I'll be right next to you. Right here. Oh, just follow me. Right here. Okay.
Alpha.
Over here.
Okay.
Just stand right next to where the yellow sign is, please.
Stand by.
Just go back.
Come, have a seat in here, please. Just have a seat real quick, okay? Just bear with me a few more minutes, okay? We're gonna have the female come in here. Female officer come in here, and then we'll allow you to use the bathroom in the back, and then we'll get started on this paperwork. Are those you? You want to just wait until? Cookie on. Nothing in there. Okay, stand up. I'm just gonna. Are you lefty or righty? Okay. Hold on, cuff you. All right, that's one. All right, that's two. Give me 1 second. Hold on. You lefty? You said you're righty? Okay. Of course. Joe, I'll take my cuffs off. You want to come to yours?
Those yours?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
One second. Just gonna bench. And same thing as before. Just keep your wrist like that. Okay. Just a slight pinch. That's only because I'm putting my finger in there as a guide. All right. And then.
I can't get that off.
Yeah. Well, it's just a rule. We use the finger. Okay, just sit tight. We have an officer coming. Okay. Yeah. Okay, your ID is in here, ma'am. Okay, we need to give your ID to the desk because we need to start our paperwork. Okay. So you put the ID in here. You should put it back in here.
I think so.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, you never been arrested before, right? Okay. So what's going to happen is we're going to process you. Okay. Try to get the paperwork done. You're going to probably get released on a summons.
Okay.
That summons is going to tell you we have a court date on it. Okay. You show up to that court date. Okay. Give me 1 second. Yes, it's going to be municipal court. Okay.
What's going to happen at the court date?
Well, you have to go before the judge.
Fine.
Well, that's up to the judge. You know, all that stuff about,
Okay.
you know, so just give me 1 second. Whoopsie daisy. A few questions. That's your current address?
He went to use the potty.
Okay. Okay. I'll be deactivating. She is cuffed to the bench. I'll be deactivating for now.
Officer Fitzgibbons reviewed surveillance footage with loss prevention before making the arrest, establishing probable cause through direct evidence review, not just the LP officer's account. That sequence is constitutionally sound. Handcuffing technique was correct. Officers applied the one-finger width check. When initial cuffs were too tight, they were removed and replaced. Improper restraint is not a minor issue. It can escalate into an excessive force claim. The officer explained fingerprinting, summons release, and the municipal court process before transport. Not legally required, but it reduces resistance and reflects professional conduct worth recognizing. Officer Fitzgibbons receives a B+. Probable cause properly established. Restraint technique correct. Subject communication patient and accurate. The only gap, no Miranda advisement documented on camera before transport. Oriana Jackson receives a C+. Physical compliance after arrest, no resistance. No escalation. The underlying conduct was deliberate and systematic, not impulsive. And the spontaneous admission on camera was avoidable. The Hoboken Police Department receives a B. A female officer was coordinated for headquarters search. Transport mileage was logged. Subject status was documented on camera at deactivation. No constitutional violations identified. 3 things to know. First, store security can legally detain you under the shopkeeper's privilege doctrine without police authorization while they investigate. That detention is lawful. Second, signing civil recovery paperwork does not prevent arrest or prosecution. Anyone who signs and believes the criminal matter is resolved is operating on a dangerous misunderstanding. Third, silence is a constitutional right. From the moment of any detention, volunteered statements become part of the record. Invoking the Fifth Amendment is not an admission of guilt. It is the law protecting you. At the time of this analysis, no court records related to this case have been located. For a first-time offender, New Jersey's conditional dismissal program under 2C. 43. 13.1 may allow dismissal after a supervision period. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.